Was in part of 4, Hina's life takes a dramatic turn. The dove's magical presence bring light to the dark world of cruelty, but the secret still remains hidden. Her stepmother's harshness grows, but her little stepbrother stand by like a true angel. Please subscribe my channel.
Imagine this. It's the middle of the night, everything's quiet, and everyone in the house is sound asleep. Outside, a gentle breeze is blowing, and moonlight streams in through the windows. But I, Hina, quietly get out of bed. My heart is pounding, as if every beat might give away my secret. I gently pull back the blanket and hide a magical dove in my lap, one I rescued a few days ago from a lonely part of the forest, all injured. Its soft white feathers glow in the moonlight, as if they hold a hidden secret. Whenever I look at it, I feel hope, as if this dove is a ray of light for me. Even the slightest flutter of its wings fills the room with magic. You know, I'm just a simple girl. A round face, big dark eyes full of dreams, and long black hair that always covers my cheeks. There's always an innocent smile on my face, but inside, many questions and dreams are hidden. I always wear a simple white salwar kameez. This outfit is a symbol of peace and simplicity for me, and maybe that's why I feel safest in it. But in this house, I have to hide my kindness. Everything is watched here, and even a small mistake can lead to a big punishment. My stepmother, with her stern eyes, harsh voice, and always angry face, can never know about this dove. For her, kindness is weakness, and she doesn't want me to feel sorry for anyone. Luckily, I have Shahbaz, my stepbrother. He's my biggest support and shares all my secrets. He's tall, thin, and always very kind. His eyes always show compassion, and his smile gives me courage. Whenever he looks at me, he smiles with his innocent face and helps me keep my secret. We have a silent agreement between us. We'll never leave each other's side. He even spreads a soft cloth for the dove so it can sleep comfortably and its wounds can heal quickly. And he brings a small plate with some chickpeas, rice, and water. Every day, he makes sure the dove isn't hungry and stays healthy. We both make sure everything stays hidden from my stepmother. Every night we quietly take care of the dove, and every morning we pray for it. But one morning, everything changes. That morning was different from usual, as if there was an unease in the air. Shahbaz had to get up early to fetch water, which left me and the dove alone. The room was quiet, and I was stroking the dove's feathers. Just then, my stepmother walks in. She sees the dove, and her eyes burn with anger, as if she's seen a terrible crime. "Where did you get this unlucky bird?" she shouts. Her voice was filled with both anger and fear. The dove gets scared, tries to fly, but its wings aren't healed yet. Seeing its weakness, my heart sinks even further. I rush in, pleading, "Mother, it was hurt. Just a few more days, then I'll let it go." Tears were in my eyes and fear in my heart. But my stepmother doesn't listen. She kicks the plate, about to hurt the dove. Then suddenly, something magical happens. The atmosphere in the room changes, as if an unseen hand has stopped everything. A cold, strong wind rushes through the room. The curtains flutter, and a strange rustling sound echoes in the room. The window slams shut, the lamp goes out, and my stepmother screams. Suddenly, darkness falls, and everything seems to stop. She, shocked, watches as the dove's eyes turn red, and for a moment, a bright light shines from its back. This sight was so magical that everyone held their breath. Shahbaz rushes in. "Mother, what happened?" His voice held both concern and surprise. My stepmother stammers, This bird is not ordinary," and leaves the room, scared. Fear and surprise were clearly visible on her face. Shahbaz looks at the dove in wonder, then turns to me. His eyes now hold not fear, but curiosity and hope. "There's something special about this bird, sister. Take care of it. And don't tell anyone. Maybe it's a message or a sign for us." I nod, my heart pounding with questions. Many thoughts and worries swirled in my mind. That night, lying awake, I wonder, who is this dove really? Is it just a bird or something magical? What was that glowing light, that cold wind? Was it all a message for me or a trick of fate? In the silence, cuddling the dove close, I realize, sometimes kindness brings magic into our lives in the most unexpected ways. Perhaps that is the real magic, supporting the weak and keeping hope alive. If you want to know what happens next, don't forget to like and subscribe. Your support will help this story continue. Until then, keep believing in magic and always be kind. Remember, sometimes the smallest act can change someone's